Hello, I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, core faculty for the College of Health Sciences and Public Policy at Walden University. And in this segment, what I'm going to be going over is how to deal with missing data. Now, oftentimes, when you're starting off with data, a lot of times there's not enough respondents. And there's certain parts of the data set that are missing. So there's several options. Missing at random, which is MAR, and then MNAR, missing not at random, and then MCAR. So MCAR, MNAR, and MAR. So let's go in and do a demonstration here. So analyze, you go down to analyze, and right before complex samples, which I've shown you in other videos, you go into multiple imputation. And under multiple imputation, you take a look at both analyze patterns and impute missing data values. So I'm going to start off by analyzing patterns. So let's go in here and take a look at what patterns we're looking to analyze. You have summary of missing values, patterns of missing values, and variables with the highest frequency. Now you don't want to include some of the weighting, because that's as accurate as it gets. So let's go and hit OK. Let's take a look at the output. So here's the patterns, and take a look here. So the variables are 50% and 50% missing. So incomplete variables is designated through green. So all the green is missing variable. In terms of some of this data, the cases are not very visible, and then values, which is 81.79% missing. So this is overall missingness. So then you look at the missing value pattern and take a look at all the variables and see where it's missing. Specifically, which of the variables are most missing. Then in the multiple imputation, you impute. So now the next step is to go ahead and click Analyze. And under Analyze, what you can do is select Missing Value Analysis. And so what I've done is put the categorical variables, gender and marital status, and then quantitative variables like age, and years at screening, and other types of, for instance, ratio of family income. And we want to do EM. It's a maximization technique. Take a look at this, make sure that there's not anything to change. It seems like we're good to go. So this is showing missing value patterns, and as you can see, 73 is one of the missing values with the most patterns. So one of the important things that I wanted to show you is that little mCAR test, the chi-square is significant, and usually it doesn't need to be significant. And so this is kind of cause for concern, but you can actually kind of ignore the violation and make sure that the significance is greater than 0.05 here. Anyway, let's go further back. Then take a look at what we're doing here. So you go into Analyze, Multiple Imputation, and then take a look at, this is an example of a place where imputations happen. So here's the original data, and depending on number of variables that you selected, so see there's a number value that's not available. So if you do 1, then you can have a value in there. There's ways to impute this, multiple ways, which will change the numbers around. So I hope this has made sense. I just wanted to go back and analyze patterns and then impute missing data. If you want 5 imputations, then 5. If you want 10 imputations, then do 10. The data set will name it demo new. And then you want to make sure that the variables in the model are accurate. And then OK. So there you have it. Imputations are complicated. However, if you run it properly, then you can have a good imputation technique which fills in missing data. Thank you for listening.